Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking, and this is the second layout for Are We There Yet? So cute. So these are really fun to make. I love those big brackets to show off your pictures. And here comes the how we got there. Okay, so here are the instructions for the second layout for Are We There Yet? And the background, so it's going on a piece of white daisy, and each of the background pages was cut at 3 inches, which is that part, and then the leftover of 9 inches is the little directional, or not directional, like the Are We Here? I don't know what those little things are called, the little teardrops. But this is the back of the Project 2 die cut. So it's a great big bracket, and we actually have this shape. I love this shape on one of our Cricut cartridges. Actually, it's in Design Space now. It's not a cartridge anymore. But I'm going to go ahead and I think I've got the wrong piece. Yeah, got the wrong piece of White Daisy. And she's looking for it, and there it is, hidden. Okay, so there's our first piece, and then I'm putting this wrong, so that 3-inch piece needs to go on the right-hand side, and this piece goes all the way over to the left. And of course, you can't turn it upside down because those are directional. So just going ahead, and I had the right idea, and then I realized I needed to flip it around. So I was getting ready to put this on, and I put it on, and I suddenly realize at some point that it's upside down. What is the matter with me? See, that doesn't work. So I'm going to leave the 3-inch piece and just flip over that piece. Unfortunately, let's hear it for Tombow that doesn't get super, super gluey until it's been down for a while. So you're repositionable on the regular Tombow for a little while. But I think Tombow's got some changes going on. I think maybe they switched owners or whatever. Anyway, so I have to figure Tombow out. But I've sorted all of my Project 2s from my Project 3s. So I'm just checking that Project 3 didn't sweep in. So those are all my Project 2s. And everything on the back of our die cuts is labeled what project it goes with. So you don't have to worry about that. So these are the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 pieces of Papaya cardstock that came with the kit. And also these little photo placeholders come with the kit always. So you can use them or not use them. It's up to you. But because of how I'm showing you how to do the layout, I don't necessarily pick out pictures to go on all of my layouts. So I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what it looks like here. So I'm going by the instructions, and I'm using my T-square to make sure my photo backgrounds get placed correctly. And it's going like 2 inches down and probably 1 3/4 inches over. So I'm just kind of doing a dry placement here. Just kind of figuring out generally where each of the little tags goes to. We got all different kinds of tags, little maps, little tickets from a destination tickets. I am going to go ahead and put my anti-static pouch powder along this sticker so that I can pop it up and then tuck all those little tags underneath. So it can kind of go over the picture a little bit and be lifted up just for some dimension. So having a great time. Love that. And we have a nice big camera that's going off in the corner. So I really love our stickers. If you haven't tried Close to My Heart stickers, you really should. They're the thickness of cardstock, and keep their shape really well, and don't rip up if you try to pull them off, and They're just really, really good stickers. So I'm going ahead and I'm using my 5 colors. So here comes the Bluebird. And so the Bluebird little banner is getting its little coloring of Bluebird around the edges, a little distressing. And then it gets put down. And of course, this is the honey butter, which doesn't that sound delicious? I love honey butter on my biscuits. So anyway, that is going to get tucked under the honey butter background of having a great time. So the idea of doing kind of a dry run layout, layout of your pieces is to just get a general idea that you've got the placement correct and spaced out correctly. So there's our sage. I think that's a map little banner, and of course this is the papaya. So really cute. Love these little tags that came with that are part of the die cuts. And then of course this is the Glacier. And I mean, those are pretty simple ways of decorating your pages. And as always, the ideas that you see here, excuse me, are ideas that you can carry over into any of your layouts. So if you have some little scraps, then you can put a little, you don't have to put the punch hole at the top. You can just do a little dovetail at the bottom, and it gives you a little decoration, embellishment. So a super great idea to use for, you know, any kind of layout. I love these. I love these embellishments. I love these little rubberized luggages to make a little stack of luggages. It's so cute. So perfect. So here's the second page. And I have this video speeded up a little bit, as you can tell, just to let you know. So it's speeded up at 250%. So if this is almost 11 minutes, then you can figure it's about 10 minutes. So you can figure it's took me 25 minutes to put this layout together. Okay, so I'm starting at the bottom there, and it's going up like 2.5 inches or so. And these are 4x4s. Well, that one isn't. That one's a 3x4 picture is going to go with. So these squares were cut at 4.25 by 4.25, and then 3.25 by 4.25. And so we're getting 3 4x4s and a 3x4. No, maybe another 3x4. Is that true? Well, we'll see. How quickly I forget. No, that's the top corner there is going to be where there's some journaling. A journaling tag is going to go up there. If you wanted to, you could put another picture up there. You could totally put another 3x4 picture if you'd rather. But this is going to be, I'm taking this little ticket tag and tucking it under, and then you can use that for putting journaling on. And then I love this little tag. So cute. And it's got the date and seat number on it. So if you're, you know, flying or in a train or something and you have a seat number, you can put that on the tag. And here we've got another little papaya tag going, and now we've got a sage. So little bitty details can go on all of these little tags. There we go. Look how cute. So cute. I've really enjoyed doing this workout kit. I should be working out, but I'm not. I need to get back into shape again. This workshop kit. This has been really a fun thing to work on. So we're on our way. We're going to have some luggage down here. This is a sticker, a luggage sticker. And I'm just doing a little powdering of the top so I can slip my picture underneath there. Gotta love that stack. And it says we're on our way. With a little small satchel or a backpack. I can't tell from here. Anyway, super cute. Man, I really like these pages. So if you have any traveling that's coming up, you can go ahead and put things together, and then, when you come home, you can put your pictures on and you're ready to go. So here's the whole layout. Just adorable. Love that bracket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sign up to be a subscriber. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.